Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. You join me live today as we are doing one thing and one thing only for this special broadcast. I am scalp trading. I am scalp trading Virgin Galactic, and it's the only way to bring this stock back into order. It's a stock I wish to hold long term, so only do this on stocks that you wish to hold, because if it goes down and you keep buying and you can't scalp it, then of course you're left in the stock. So only do it on stocks that you want to hold. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Let's get straight into the trades, and we're doing 100 trades in one day today. We've done many already, so join me on this live scalp session. We've already traded about 30 times. My average was 676. It's now down to 635. I'm making small profits each time. Very, very small profits, but each time I bring down the average and get 1 or 2 free shares of Virgin Galactic. Let me just correct the quality for my TikTok audience. They're watching on my phone, so we need to correct this here so they can see it properly. Okay, and we'll improve the quality for TikTok. There we go. That's better. You can get a much better picture now. Okay, let's get straight into it. I need to update it here as well. And we're up to about 30 trades already today. So we've got quite a way to go to do 100, but we're trying to bring our average down. So we're down at the lowest price here. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to be concentrating on just this one thing right now. So I'm keeping my 1,400 shares. I'm not adding to that at all. That's what I'm going to be left with, and I'm going to keep adding and selling over and over again. Right, 603 is now a new low, so let's get ready to buy some more again now. So here we go. We're going to buy 200 shares at 603 if we can. Wait a second. Buy 603, came in at 604. That doesn't matter. You could start a limit order. That way you're guaranteed the price. But if you do it manually, it depends on the market makers. Sometimes you won't get 603. You'll get 604. It goes both ways. So that's fine. So we've now just bought another 200. Now my average is 631. You'll see my average keep coming down. This is just solid scalp trading. It's all we do. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, let me know you're here. I'm doing one thing only. My main show starts in an hour, the closing bell. This is just one specific stock, one specific job that I'm doing here right now. Okay, so we've got 200 shares on the table, which we want to clear off. So my average is now 631. So we're going to get ready to sell. We might buy as well. The volume is quite low, so it isn't that quick. I might, if suddenly it goes to 590 or something like that, I'll buy another 200. But right now at 603, we're getting ready to sell those couple of shares. Now I can do a trading loss, a stop trading loss, which is what I normally do. But in a market like this, there's absolutely no point, because there's no momentum. It's just slowly going down. So you don't want to be doing that. So let's get ready to sell. This will be 200. The 200 I just bought. I just paid 1,207. And as we go on, I'll start increasing to 300, 400, 500 shares each time. So the numbers will go up. I'm still on 200 at the moment. So we're watching it. And what we're trying to do now is trade it again. If you've just tuned in and you are watching me, smash the like and let me know you're here. Come into the live chat. Love to know you're here. I paid 604. And this is trending down all the time. So I'm going to set a limit order this time for 606. A limit order. $6.06. Okay, 200. Review. I can always do it manually as well if I want to. Review the order at 606. So if it jumps to 606, that's another free share. Okay. So now we're waiting for it to go to 606. So If it goes down before then, I'll buy another 2. But my average is now 631. So we've now got 604. I paid 1207. 604. It will sell 200 at 606. Let's have a quick sip of coffee. Welcome. If you just tuned in, we're doing live scalp trading on one stock here right now. And the reason for this is Virgin Galactic is the biggest part of my portfolio. At least it was a couple of days ago, since before this crash down. And I want to hold and I want to add to my position. It's a position I'm very confident in. It's just selling off because it's high risk. This is the best time now. Red days, like Warren Buffett says, are the best days to make money. These are the days when you get your averages down. If I can end up paying 603 an average, that would be a great day. Right, it'll sell at 606. 200. Next time we do it, I'll do 300 shares. And we'll keep doing this. We're doing one stock. This is our scalp trading show. We'll be back for the closing bell at 2 o'clock in an hour from now. This is just non-stop scalp trading. And I'm going to start increasing the amount I buy each time in a minute. I could start doing it for 1,000 shares very soon. And then it only needs to go up 1 cent to make any money, and I can keep doing that. It's quite slow. It's a safe way of doing it, as long as you don't mind owning the stock. Remember, if it does go down, it keeps going down, but I don't believe it will. This is near the bottom now. This is near the absolute bottom. So we're just waiting now for the next trade to come in. And if it suddenly goes a lot lower, I'll buy another 200. If it goes to 606, it will sell. It will need to go just over 606. So we're going to keep our eye closely to it. And as soon as it goes, we'll have it. This is scalp trading. It's the only way I can put my portfolio back in balance. I have to do this. There's no point leaving, just being down this much. I want to turn this into a profit and have my averages lower. So then I'm good then. And you can see in the chat now is my beer glass, the day trader beer glass. If you want to join me for a pint at the end of the show. There you go. There is the beer glass if you want to get one. I'm drinking out of my day trader coffee mug right now. If you want to see the chart, you need to come over to YouTube. You get a much better view on YouTube. On TikTok, you're looking at my YouTube broadcast. And I don't trade on charts. Charts are for people with no foresight. Charts are what's already happened. I'm not interested in what charts tell me. Charts are just what has already happened. I'm looking at where the stock's going, not where it's been. This is a company I believe in. I know it's going to be great. This is just a way for me to get my averages down and down and down. So 602 now. We're on one stock. This is for those of you who tune in every day. This is an extra show. This isn't the closing bell show. This is me doing nothing but scalp trading on one stock. 603. 602 wasn't cheap enough for my next move. My next order in place is 606 or 599, whichever comes first. And it is whichever comes first, okay? And all the time, my average is coming down. What's the purpose of you buying it at 604 and selling it at 606? What's the purpose? Well, it's kind of, you've answered your own question. If you buy at 604 and sell at 606, what do you think? You make a profit. I don't know how best to answer that. If you buy at 604 and sell at 606, you've made a profit. I'm not buying one share at a time, I'm buying 200 at a time. But also I'm lowering my averages all the time. The Fed, see, There's all sorts of threats on the horizon. So you want all your stocks to get cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. This is a perfect scalp trading day. It's not moving too quickly. It's moving slow enough so you can see what's going on. And my average was 672, I think, a couple of days ago. It's now 631. That puts me in a much stronger position. If I hadn't done that, I'd be down 10% now, and I'm only down 4.4%. So I'm in a much better position when the stock takes off. You want to get to a position where you've got the lowest possible prices. Yeah, they are. And that's the time to buy them. That's the time to buy them. The company isn't going anywhere. Remember, the value of the stock hasn't changed. This is all that's happened here is the price has gone down. This is discount day. This is discount day. This is opportunity for me to improve my position better and better and better over and over again. So we're watching it right now. We're waiting for 606 to sell 200 and 599 to buy my next 200. I might even move to 300 next time. This is great. I'm not holding more than 1,400 shares. That's my allocation for this portfolio. All we're doing is trading, scalp trading, in and out. Our next move could be any moment now. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. We've got 18 of you watching right now. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying the show. This is live scalp trading on one stock. The closing bell comes up later. I see we've got 18 watching and only 8 likes. So I'm going to get Mr. Mini-Me out. We're putting no timer on because I'm concentrating on what I'm doing. But I'd appreciate if you could smash the like button. That way it will share this video with more people. So I'd really appreciate if you wouldn't mind doing that for me. 602. 602. That's better. It's got up to 10 now. Thank you very much. 602. It's not cheap enough yet. I'm not options trading. This is real life trading with my real money. Come on, $6. Church of Logic, are you going to buy some at $6? When we hit 603, I'll be 606. I'll be selling, and at 599, I'll be buying. As we get up to 4, 5, 6, 700, 800, 1,000 shares a time, then once we get to 1,000 shares a time, then 1 cent is enough. Then 1 cent is enough. I don't have to do any more than 1 cent. And that's perfect. This is now slowed down, so it's not risky. That is not really risky at all. As long as you don't mind owning the stock. I'm in on $6. Stephen Rowe is in on $6. Okay. Hiya, Stephen. Welcome to the show. This is my real trades, my real money. Everything you're seeing here is real. My overall portfolio, I can share that with you. My overall portfolio is worth $39,000. Here's my overall portfolio. There, look. This all started from $5,000. Okay. Which stock is this? SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Come and join me on YouTube. Links in the profile. Come and join me on YouTube if you want to see what's going on. Easy my way up to 100 shares and holding my average. If I don't pop to $10 by next year, I will lose faith. Yeah. At the end of the day, if you can get to a position where you haven't lost any money, there we go, 603. We're watching very closely. $603. Just waiting for it to go to 606. As I start putting more money on it, 1 cent will be enough. It get much more exciting when I start buying 1,000 shares. I'm up to 200. My next position will be 300. So once I can clear this one, my next position will be 300, and we can start going down to 1 cent. 602. So we're looking for 599 and 606 for a very quick trade. Remember, you can do this on Robinhood because there are no charges. So it's hard work. It takes a lot of concentration, but you can lower your averages, make a profit even on bad days. This is the days that I like. There's more to do. On the green days, you just sit and watch your money go up. But on days like this, you can make money, and you can get the lowest prices, and that's what you want. If you can end up having your whole portfolio with the lowest prices, there is only one way up. Okay. So we're waiting for the next position to move. And thank you very much if you've just tuned in. Welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, world piano man and day trader, full-time YouTuber, full-time Twitch and TikToker. This is my job. This is how I earn my living, and it's welcome to be here. If you become a member of the show, we give away cash prizes every week. We've got loads of benefits to our members. Consider being a member, and you can also get our weekly newsletter as well. Come into the live chat, let me know you're here, and I will give you all the free stuff. We have loads of free stuff. I'm in Ape with 3 shares, LOL. Good for you, Caden. Love to have you here. Special edition show today. One stock. We're trading Virgin Galactic, nothing else. Live scalp trading. I'm aiming for 100 trades in one day. We're somewhere around about 30 right now. And we're waiting for 606 or 599. We're not using stop trading losses because there isn't any movement like that. Stop trading losses today won't work. That only works when you've got momentum, volume in the stock, so the stocks are moving. Right now, it's just a matter of making a few cents per share, but buying lots of shares at one time so you're lowering your average. I would love to get into space today for a nice swing back to up to 7. It's going to come. I used to be a gambler myself. You'll be sorry. Do your research. Yeah, I wouldn't invest in Ape either. But anyway, Caden's a brave young man. He's got many years ahead of him. He can make a lot of crazy trades. He's got time to recover from it. I haven't, I'm afraid. There you go. Is that better for TikTok? I apologise. I had the screen in quite dark there for you. 602. 603. Come on. Now we're getting some movement again. We've got to sell placed at 606. Get ready to buy. This time I'll do 300 shares. 300, it's getting more and more each time. This will be a market order, which is $1,800 as we go under $6. And the average will come down again. Roger Hart, thank you for your subscription. Appreciate that very much indeed. If you're in the live chat, in the live show, come into the show and say hello. Introduce yourself. If you just tuned in, please subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here, become a member of our show. We're doing live scout trading on one stock and one stock only. This is a special show this afternoon. Our closing bell show starts in 45 minutes. This is just one stock, one share, and we might continue this show straight over, but we'll see how it goes. 602. We're stuck at the moment, not much to tell you right now. We are selling at 606 and we're buying at 599 or thereabouts. 6 at the bottom. I'm telling you, last chance for a big gain by the end of the year. Next Q results will be better because the board will be on them to push flight of trials. They will. Yep. This is exactly right. Church of Logic. This is the time to buy it. This is why I'm doing it. The stock is now being given away. And it's great. And the lower my average, the long term I can keep this stock. If I've got an average of under $6, blimey, when this stock goes to 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 100, which it will, and I pay under 6, it's just a gift. It's like buying Amazon when it first came out, like Tesla when it first came out. This is the time. So what I'm doing is scalp trading over and over again. I haven't traded now for about 15, 20 minutes though. It's in a lull at the moment. As soon as I can start buying more shares, it'll make more sense. In a minute, I'm going to move up to 1,000 shares at a time, and then it will make more sense. 602. I could buy 300 now at 602. But it's not really. $602. You have to be wary that the stock can go down, so don't get ahead of yourself. 300 shares is manageable. 606 and 6. That's our two next positions. If it goes to 606, it will sell 200. If I go to 6, I'll buy another. I'll buy another 300. I'm ready to buy 300 shares. $602. I had plug at $4. It wouldn't be in the market if it hit 50. Space can get there. Yes. Lee Chambers, isn't it a nightmare doing tax returns for all small amounts? Is it worth? No, there's no fees to do that. I've got my CPA, I've got my accounts. There's no individual. You don't have to do tax returns for individual stocks. You get an overall report from Robinhood, and then you put that to your CPA. Isn't it a nightmare doing tax returns for small amounts? Is it worth it once you pay fees? There are no fees. Lee Chambers, there are no fees. There's no fees at all. There are no fees at all. I've never paid a single dime in fees to Robinhood. And I haven't paid any tax either yet. There are no fees. Right. I think I'm going to buy 300 at this price. It seems to be sitting here now. So limit order. I'm going to put a limit order, because if you don't put a limit order, when you want it to be right on the button, which is 602 I do, you'll end up losing out, getting 603. So review the order, 602, buy. Right, I'm buying 300 shares now at 602. $602, I put 300 in. So now we've got 500 shares. 602. Now, see why it doesn't go straight away? It has to go slightly under that for the market makers to make their money. It has to go like 601.9 or something like that. So 602. Come on. 300 shares to go through at 602. I've ordered. It's gone through. I'm just waiting for the order to complete. 300 shares at 602. It has to go like 6.019, something like that. There has to be a tiny, tiny micro trade for the market makers. That's how it works. That's how Robinhood make their money. Just because it's 602, and if I buy now manually at 602, it'll probably settle at 603. So if you want to pay 602, you got to set an order and then wait. As soon as it goes to 601, it'll do it. So I'm waiting. Any second now, 602 will be in place. Come on. 602. Only for gains, right, Church, or do you still have for losses? I had to input every transaction on my tax last year. It was a nightmare for me, but no fees for me. Now I just present my overall accounts to my CPA. I've already done all my accounts using EasyBooks on my computer. Everything's already done. I just give her the she has an overall total of my realized gains, and that's it. Very simple. It's not difficult. You can trade 1,000 times a day. $603. I'm waiting now to sell at 606, and I've got an order placed to buy at 602. Right on the button every time. Cool. There's hardly any volume in the stock right now, which is good, because you don't want it suddenly going down. You want to just slowly lower your averages, relaxed, comfortable, no stress. And that's what we're doing right now. 602. Will it go through this time? I've got an order to buy 602. Look at that. It's stuck there. If you've just tuned in, welcome, good afternoon. We are doing scalp trading on one stock. This is a special show. My main closing bell show starts in 35 minutes. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. And we've got we are going for 100 trades in one day. That's exactly what we're doing right now. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. As a quick commercial break. Skip the ad. Be right back. Okay, there we go. We're back. 602 now. Bed Bath & Beyond shares tank on reports. They're going to go bankrupt. People are buying that now. The Redditors. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's just gambling. Why would you buy Bed Bath & Beyond? It's going out of business. People are pumping and dumping it. Remember, when it goes up like that, there are people who don't understand the stock market, chasing it, thinking they're going to get rich. How silly is that? And they buy it, and everyone dumps it on them. You got, every day you got tens of thousands of people who are broke, walking around bankrupt, losing all their money. Absolutely bonkers. But people do it. People do it all the time. So here we go. Virgin Galactic, we're holding it right now. 602. There's the chart. As I say, I don't really care about the chart. I don't really, it has no effect on my trading at all. Because I've already done my research on the company. I've done my research on Sir Richard Branson. I know where the company's going. I'm not bothered about owning the stock. It's going to be $100 a share. I'm not even in any doubt. All I'm doing now is lowering my averages, getting free stocks, free shares. That's all I'm doing. And getting my average to be so low that when it starts moving, I'll be in the black straight away. And I've got 500 shares now on the table, plus the 1,600 I've already got. So we're over 2,000 shares now on the table. Yeah, not long after the news of his purchase had lifted its share price in the meme-fueled buying frenzy. Moderate sell saying on eToro for Virgin Galactic. Yeah, I don't really care what the analysts say, to be perfectly honest, on this stock. Remember, the analysts, there's so much manipulation in the market. You have to read in between the lines. People will tell you a stock is doing one thing because it's in their best interest. Well, you know that's not what we do on this show. I share with you my real trades, my real money, and you see what I'm doing with it. There's no manipulation here. All those reports. Oh, here we go, 602. It might go through now. I can't believe it. This is good. This is good because it gives you time to breathe, gives you time to concentrate, and it's likely that you're not going to lose money. When it's really quick, it's very dangerous. This is nice. I wish, for your point of view, it'd be a bit faster though, because you would see what was going on. And I want it to go to 601.9, so it'll go through at 6.02, so you can see me buy the next round, and then set my next order. But my first order is set to sell at 606. When in reality, it'll be 6.061. That's how the market makers and Robinhood make their money. You don't get charged a fee, but the price that you're paying for buying or selling is slightly out to cover the money that they want to make. But that's fine. You're just dealing with the numbers on the screen, right? You're happy with what you're buying and selling it for, so it's irrelevant what the real price is. It's totally irrelevant, and it's such a small amount you wouldn't even know anyway. It's 0.00001 pence. It's nothing. But that's why when I hit 6002, it doesn't go through. It's got to go slightly lower than 602. Okay. If you've just tuned in, thank you very much for being here. Welcome to our special event this afternoon, scalp trading. Why am I doing this? Because for the first time in a long time, Virgin, we're getting massive sell-offs, and I want to lower my averages on the stocks that are down the most, and Virgin Galactic is down the most of stocks that I want to keep long term. So that's why I'm scalp trading on Virgin Galactic. It has the most effect over my portfolio, and that's what we're trying to do. And at the moment, we're in a lull. We're waiting for 606, and we're waiting for 601.9. So Virgin is down 90%. Why do you think it will go? Why do you think it will not go down more and recover? Sorry, read that again. So Virgin is down 90%. Why do you think it will not go more down and recover? You kind of contradict yourself there. Why do I think it? No, it could go down. It could go down. I can't control where the stock's going. It could go down to $4. But I know I'm not interested where the stock could go to. I'm interested where the stock is going to go to. I know the stock is going to be $100 a share. The only reason why this stock is selling like this is because people are fearful, and when the markets are down, they take their money out of high-risk stocks. They put them somewhere else. So this stock just loses value, loses price, not value, loses price because everyone sells it. So it presents me a perfect opportunity. I've got no fear at all. No fear at all. Some breaking news here. Church of Logic, car bomb murder outside Moscow triggers accusations. Ukraine on alert for Independence Day attacks. Yes, I'm sure. But expect the unexpected though. Right, if you've just tuned in, we are doing a special this afternoon. This is pre my closing bell show. We are doing one stock on one stock alone scalp trading. We're lowering our averages. He will keep lowering his averages anyways. Says Stephen Rowe. Thank you for the answer. I hope I gave you an answer. Sorry, did you think it will recover? Oh, sorry. Do you think it... Oh, Virgin, I purchased 602. 602, I got it. I've just got it. Okay. I've just got it 602, 300 at 602. Okay, get ready now to sell. Sell space. Sell space. Right. Sell space. I'll do a limit order. 604. 604, 300. Limit order, sell, limit price 604. See my average now, 627. 604. Whoa, whoa, yay, 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 yay. $6.05 placed. $6.05. Nice little dip there. Nice little spike. 6.05. Come on. I'm down 3.5% now. Much better. I started the day with down 12%. Whew. Whoa, that got exciting then for a moment. Whew. 6.05. So we're waiting now for 6.05 and 6.06 to sell. That's 500 shares waiting to be sold to bring it back down to 1,400 again. What's for? Someone's name I can't pronounce. I'm sorry. What did you... what's for? We've got 1,900 shares now. If you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome. 6.05 and 6.06. 100 trades in one day. That's what we're doing. Micro trades, scalp trades. We're going to raise it up soon. We just did 300. We've got to start to move to 400 shares in a minute. $6.05. Oh, go on, get a nice bounce now. We're not now. Normally we do. Do you any alley? Does it pay dividends? Do you any alley? Sorry, Lee Chambers. I'm not sure what you mean. Virgin Galactic is no. Going to 4 in 2 to 3 months. Okay, and if it does, I'll keep scout training it all the way down then, because I know it's going to $100 by the end of when we start flying. No question about it. Right, 6.05, 6.06. Now we have 500 shares ready to clear down. Okay. If that goes to 6.06, it will sell. And basically, every trade now earns me a free share. And soon I'm going to start doubling up. At $4, I would double up. My average now is down 3.5%. Was the day we're down 4. I was nearly down 12% when I started this morning. And my average was 672. It's now 627. So if you've just tuned in, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas, the day trader and full-time YouTuber. This is what I do. And welcome to all of you. If you want to be in our free newsletter, we give cash prizes away every week. If you want to be on our Discord, you can. Here's the Discord group. But you get all the benefits when you are a member of the channel. You see most people watching our show are members. If you ask them why they're members, they'll tell you why. They get back 20 times what they put in. It's designed to grow. We're trying to build the best YouTube channels in the world. So we're giving away more than anyone. That's what we do. The money I make on Friday in my videos, I give away as prizes. You can get all those benefits. 6.05. Woo! That popped up pretty quick then. We get 606 now. The 605 will sell because I've got one here. I've got 300 shares there. 605 and 606. There we go. At 606, the first lot will sell. I'm down 3.5%. It was down 12% before I started all this. So I'm in a much better position. Ali Financial Stock looks okay at the moment. Ali Financial Stock. What does Ali mean? Is that a ticker symbol? ALLY. Ali Financial Stock. I'm not sure what that means, Lee Chambers. Is Ali a ticker symbol? I've never heard of that one. It's a bank insurance group. Oh, okay. A banking. Thank you, Church. Appreciate that, mate. Virgin Galactic. Waiting for the next move. If it goes down lower, I'll do it again. $604. Good. What platform are you running here? This is Robinhood. This is what I'm using here. This is my what I'm actually using. Yeah. Robinhood. This is my TV studio that I'm in. This is my music studio, my TV studio where I do live concerts. We've raised over $1 million for our members. We do free fundraiser concerts for our members. I'll give you a wave. There you go. That's the back of my head. Anyway. 604. Right, now we're stuck at 604, so I might cancel the one that says sell for 605 and make it 604 instead. Because I bought it 602, so it doesn't really matter. What I don't want to be stuck is if it goes down. 605, cancel 300. There you go. And sell 604. 6.04. Shares 300. Review the order. See, we're not doing trading, stock trading losses because there's no momentum in the stock. And we don't want to be stuck at the end of the day with too much money on the table. Right? 604. There we go. Limit order sell 604. So if it goes to 605 now, it will sell those 300. And that's what I need because we're still trending down. So you can make money on stocks going down because nothing goes straight. There's always these little micro opportunities. As soon as if that goes to 605 now, it will sell 300. And I'll put the money back in the bank, which is where I need it to be. Please like and hit the notification bell. Church of Logic, thank you so much indeed. Yeah, PG Contract, welcome to you. You can become part of our family. Good luck. Thank you. The British are with us Ukrainians. Good luck, everyone. Welcome to you. I did a concert for our friends in Ukraine a few months ago, and I had a message from people listening in their bomb shelters saying, we can hear you. We're listening to you thanks to Elon Musk, who dropped in some Starlink equipment. So I've been singing and doing live shows to our friends in Ukraine. So welcome to you, and our love is to you, absolutely 100%. The whole world is with you. I hope you know that. And lovely to have you here. What an honour. What an absolute honour. I hope you're well. Thank you that the British are with us. We most certainly are. 100%. The whole world is against one man. His name is Vladimir Putin. Right. 605 and it will sell 300. Come on. 605. Here we go. You're very welcome. My absolute pleasure. You're here. And yeah, I would love to do something for you. Sing a song or play. I'm actually the world piano man. This is my TV studio behind me, and I go back and do music from time to time. So I'd love to do something for you here live today. Ukraine will win. Just keep the faith. Hello, we're all with you. Mike's here. We've got a friend here from Ukraine. The guy in orange, look, on the screen right now, our friend from Ukraine. 603. Come on, 604. We need 605 for our next sale. We need to sell at 605. We need to, because we can't afford to stay in the stock. We need to keep making micro trades because the stock is trending down. We want to lower our averages, but we don't. Come on, 604. It's right on the button. Kiev. Wonderful. What a beautiful city. I've been there before. It was before you were invaded many years ago by Russia. It's a beautiful country. 605. Come on. It's set to sell at 604. When it touches 605, it will sell. I saw Starlink satellite streaming in the night sky 2 nights ago on the Myra Cape Breton Island. There we go. Yes, that's what was dropped into Kiev when I performed. And we've got someone in here today from Kiev. Can you believe it? The person here in orange. Absolutely wonderful. What an honour. $604. As soon as it hits 605, 300 shares will be sold. When it hits 606, 200 shares will be sold. And then I can start buying down because it is still trending down. So it's difficult at the minute. I need 605. Just go 605 and I can do something. I can move again. It's set at 604. So when it goes to 605, it will go through. That's how it works. Oh, come on. 1 cent. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, we are doing a special show here this afternoon. This is an earlier show than advertised because this is not my main show. This is not the closing bell. This is micro trade, scalp trading on Virgin Galactic. One stock only. And if you've just tuned in, welcome to you. We're going to take a 10-second commercial break. Skip the ad. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. How has inflation changed your eating habits? We want to know. How has inflation changed your... Oh, we just got a new subscriber. That's our friend probably from Kiev. Look at that. Hello, family. Carlos Sanchez is here. Just wondering what we should do with space. Well, if you've read the title of this video, I'm doing 100 scalp trades today. I'm getting like 35 so far. Keep going. Our next trade, I've just bought. As you can see, I've got 500 shares more than normal. I normally have 1,400. I got fit 19 at 11. Yes, exactly, Nits Farrells. Everything's on sale. Hi all. Nice to see a surprise stream. Hello there. We are on one stock. This is a special show. Scalp trading one stock over and over again. Up to 100 times today. My average started out at 672. It's now 627. I've been making money all the way down. I've got 300 shares set to sell at 605 and 200 set to sell at 606, and I'll be buying at 599. All right, we're micro trading, scalp trading over and over again, because I need to get my averages on this stock down. Market's looking fearful, exactly. That's why high-risk stocks like this are getting dumped, which is great for me. because I don't have any fear. I know where the stock's going. If I can get it for near nothing, I can't lose any money, can I? Come on. 605, it will sell 300. 606, it will sell another 200. 599, I'll buy another 400. My overall portfolio now, I'll share with you, is down today nearly $2,000. 4.48. There's my overall portfolio. We were at 45,000 a short while ago, but before all this started, I was at 28. So we've had a good run, not to forget that. Back up to 39,000 again. We are scalp trading on one stock and one stock alone. This is an extra show we put in today. Over there on TikTok, if you want to come and join us, we're here on YouTube. The link's in the profile. Come and join us. That's where our serious traders are. 604, come on. As soon as it hits 605, it'll sell. There will be dilution soon up to this point, and for 2 weeks after, we are downtrend. A lot of the dilution has already been put into the stock, but they won't dilute at these prices. That would be pointless. And remember, when a company dilute, it's best for the company. They're doing it to raise money to further the company. So don't see it as always a bad thing. It's a bad thing if they dilute the company to give themselves pay rises. That's a bad thing. But if they're diluting the company to buy more spaceships, which they've got customers to fly on, it's a good thing. And I agree with that. They should do that. That's what a responsible company should be doing. We need news. Core restorations, we do. So all we need is some news. Hello, Martin. How are you? Welcome. 605. There we go. Sold. There we go. My average is now 627. Yes, yeah. Oh, 606. That's better. That's better. I'm down just 3.5% now. I was down 12% today. Much better. Okay. 607. Another 200. Another 200 will sell. Brilliant. Oh, that was great. Okay. Now we're going to buy again. Okay. Now. We're down just 3.3% now. We started the day down 12%. Renatus, lovely to have you here. So at 607, another 200 will sell. Now, I could set, if I thought that this stock was going to ramp up, I would set stop trading losses and have it ramp up. But we're not in that market now. We're in a bear market. It's not just rallying up and up. That's what my 1,400 shares are for. These shares are just to lower the average, bring it down, get a few free shares, and get my few free shares and get myself in a very comfortable position. That's all this is about, right? Right now, this is not about, well, why don't you set a stop trading loss, which is what I normally use, and then up it goes, 6.7, 6.8, 6.9, 6.10, and I put a 3-cent drop, so I always have a profit. That's different. Today it's different. Today it's different because we are trending down. So what we're trying to do is just improve our position. And that's great. We've managed to do it again. So we're down just $300 now on this stock. We were down 12% today. We're down just 3% now. Much, much better. eToro does not allow scalping, plus spread fees would kill it anyway. Quanfery. What does Quanfery mean? Great patience. You were up like 30% though. Eh? I was up 30%. Not on this stock I wasn't, Arnold. Never been up 30% on the stock. Hello. Welcome. Great patience says cool restorations. Yep. You always get there. Hard work, determination, commitment will always win in the end. And there we go. So, we're watching it closely now. I'm going to stick with this. If you've just tuned in, welcome. Click subscribe, ring the bell. And we are giving cash prize giveaways away every Friday. If you want to be in our draw, just ask me and I'll tell you how you can win money on our show. every week. If you want to be a member of our channel and receive all the perks and benefits, here's the invitation to become a member. If anyone does a $10 super chat, you can dedicate a song. I've got a song especially for our friends in Ukraine. It's called, I can either do The Sounds of Silence or Smile by Charlie Chaplin. If someone does a $10 super chat, I will go back to the studio during the show for our guest here from Kiev in Ukraine. We literally have someone, this guy here in orange is from Kiev in Ukraine. If someone does a $10 super chat, and the reason why I asked for $10 is it covers the copyright on the video. Otherwise, I lose money. That just covers it. I don't make any money. That just covers it. I will then do Smile or The Sounds of Silence live in the show and dedicate it to our friend from Kiev, who's joined us all the way from Kiev in Ukraine. Right. I am happy so far with Virgin Galactic. It will definitely go up soon. Back to $7. Yes. One has to be paid. A stock cannot be only go up and up and up. Absolutely right. So the job is to keep lowering the averages. My average is dropped from 672 to 627. At 607, my next 200 will sell. Then when it goes down, I will probably buy 400 next time. Copyright does not cost $10. Arnold, yes it does. Basically, my video that I earn about $2 or $3 a video. That's it. All right, live shows don't make me much money. With the amount of people that are watching, I make a couple of bucks per show. When you give me a $10 super chat, out of that I get about $6.50 because about 30% goes to YouTube. So if I get a super chat of $10, thereabouts, it covers the ad revenue that I probably will make on the video. So I end up back where I started. So that's why I asked for $10 for a super chat. So that's why, Arnold. All right. In fact, it costs nothing for you since it's your video. And no, it's not true at all. If I sing The Sounds of Silence or Smile on my show, Arnold, then it does. This video will get copyrighted. I guarantee you that. Whether you believe me or not, that's a fact. I make my living on YouTube. I know what I'm talking about. You're not uploading these happy birthdays. What do you mean I'm not uploading happy birthdays? What do you mean by that? Stephen Rowe, 100%. 100% what? Stephen Rowe. I have no idea what everyone's saying here. So 607, 200 more will sell. And then if it goes back down again to 601, something like that, I'll buy probably 400. True what you said. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Stephen. I only tell the truth on here. I mean, everything is real. This is my real money, my real trades. The purpose of this show is to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. We don't pump and dump. We don't lie. We don't exaggerate. In fact, I always undersell and over-deliver. I'm live all the time. If I wanted to make money, I'd make videos and just post videos. Hardly go live at all. I go live because it's the best for my family and best service for my members. So everything you see here is real and genuine. I never utter a word that is not 100% true and honest. And if I don't know the answer to a question, I will say so. My birthday is coming up. August 29th. Hope to celebrate with you, Martin. Carlos, you will. You are a member of our channel. And as long as you are a member on your birthday, the 28th, the 29th, or 30th, the day before, the day of, or the day after, I will celebrate your birthday, not just for you, for your entire family. Anybody in your family can have the birthday treat on my show. I can confirm Martin would lose any right to make any money from this video if he plays a song. Thank you, Shad. Appreciate that, mate. There you go. It's good when people back you up. Have you ever played with options? No, don't like options. I like buying a piece of the pie and owning the stock. Options, you never own anything. And unless, of course, you buy the stock at the end of it. But when you buy a contract, you're not buying anything. It's a promise that you might buy it or might sell something. I don't like that. I like to own the piece of the pie. then there's no risk. I'm not predicting dates and times. I just know where the stock's going, and that's it. Mine's coming up on the 4th of September. Thank you very much indeed, Shad. We'll do yours as well. Brilliant. We love doing the birthday treats. Right, at 6:07, I will sell 200 shares. It's ready to go. It's placed. Look, it's placed at 6:06. See it there, look. It'll go at 6:07. That's the way these things work, because the market makers need to make their micro amount of money. And normally what I do is set stop trading losses, but I'm not doing that today because the markets are trending down, and all we're trying to do is lower our averages and get free shares. That's what we're doing. If you just tuned in, thank you very much. Subscribe or ring the bell. Let us know you're here. We got 25 likes now. Absolutely brilliant. This is not an advertised show. This is an extra show. Virgin Galactic scalping 100 scalp trades from Virgin Galactic. Next move. Renatus has just made a comment. What's that? Have you seen the meme stock AMC? Yes, I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. Last week it was $25 and now it's $10. I do not understand that company and their objective. It's not about the company, Renatus. It's about people on Reddit in their tens of thousands hyping a stock. It's not real. It's silly. It's gambling. Remember, you only hear about the success stories. The people that lose their money, you won't hear about them. You only hear about the successes. And for anyone to make money on a stock, on a company that's going bankrupt, which it is, same as Bed Bath & Beyond, another silly stock, right? The only way anyone makes any money is by somebody else losing their shirt. It's immoral, it's impractical, it's pointless, it's silly. But some people don't care. All they want to do is make money. They don't care who they dump it on. I'm not doing that. I'm investing in a company I believe in. That's it. People that are doing AMC are just gambling, and the only thing that makes it go up is tens of thousands of Redditors saying let's all buy it. And the trouble is they're all lying to each other. It's like a band of thieves, because what happens is they'll all say let's buy the stock. They'll all buy it until half of them start dumping it. And I thought we were all buying it. Well, not anymore, mate. I'm dumping all mine. And that's what they do. We did the very opposite here. You see me trade live. You don't see those Redditors trade live. They'll tell you the stock's going to go up to $10,000 or some stupid number. Everyone buys it, then they dump it on the way up. And people that don't know what they're doing, who think they can get rich with being lazy and doing nothing, lose their money. Well, I guess it's their fault, really. You should research and learn what it's all about. You shouldn't come on the stock market thinking it's just a cash cow and it's free money. You should understand what's really going on, and a lot of people don't. So I feel sorry for them, but at the end of the day, it's their own fault. But don't get involved in stuff like that, and don't listen to anyone on the internet who tells you what to do that doesn't show you what they're doing in real time like I do. You want honest, real facts of what we're trading? That's what this show is about. And everybody in our show shares their trades on our Discord. And if anyone lies or makes stuff up, I find out about it. I take them off Discord. I've done that already to one person who should remain nameless. One person was in it for themselves, told everybody a load of lies to get everyone to buy in, and that person doesn't exist on our account anymore. All right, that's not what we do here. I own a lot of shares of SPCE now. I'm waiting for $5 space to buy a lot more shares. 100% to $100 space. Thank you very much, Stephen Lewandowski. I've got no doubt about it whatsoever. And for those of you that are in England, if you'd like to meet me and all my team, we are going to be in England at the Virgin Orbit Space Station on the 15th of October. And if you want to be at the party, on the beach, in the hotel, a whole day get together, it's $50 in the super chat or £50 in the super chat, and you'll be sent a ticket, and you'll be able to be there. Definitely not. I do not trade with AMC. There you go. I mean, I don't blame you. I don't criticize or judge anyone for doing it. If you want to do it, that's what the stock market exists for. A lot of people are, scammers, and they don't care. And that's fine. If you want to be that person, I don't judge you. You just can't do it on our channel, that's all. You just can't do it on our channel. As soon as I find out anyone's trying to confuse and manipulate our audience, I'll have them out of the show. This whole show exists by being the truthful, honest place to be. Thank you, Mike, for taking care of that spam. Some silly bot comes in from time to time. Right. Where are we going next with Virgin Galactic? When we get to 607, it will sell 200. When it goes down to 6, I'll buy another 300 or 400 maybe this time. We're sticking on this one stock at the moment. It's a special. It's a scalp trading special on Virgin Galactic. It's the biggest part of my show. Spam-a-llama. Crazy, innit? He doesn't even do anything. These silly idiots who create this spam, it doesn't even do anything. What's the point of it? All it does is gives Mike a job. Mike's got a job out of it. So Mike loves it. He's got a job. Without it, he wouldn't have a job. It's ridiculous. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't lead you anywhere. Stephen Rowe, I'm in the UK. Well, Stephen Rowe, I'm actually from Cornwall in England. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. If you become a member, you could be at our party. We'd love to have you. We're going to be on the beach in Newquay, in Cornwall, on the 15th of October, and then we're going to be in a hotel in the evening. And here's the invitation to join. You might want to be part of it. We've got traders and investors coming from all over the world. I'll be there myself, obviously. I love smashing and reporting them. Ford to let go of 3,000 employees in the US in light of electric prioritizing manufacturing. Yeah, I wouldn't buy Ford shares. I've explained why. Me and Church of Logic will fall out over that one. He's laughing right now. I know he is. He's listening to that laughing. So let me open up the Discord. Discord is open. If you want to call in, this is for members only. You can call in. The broadcast lounge is now open. You can now call in. This is our Discord, and right at the bottom you can see the broadcast lounge. You can call in. All links are below. All videos. Come on, 607. Yes, indeed, Stephen Rowe. What part of England are you from, mate? What part of England are you from? 607. Yeah. Once it gets to 607, my portfolio is now moving up. Ford is fine. They got rid of white-collared workers, not factory workers. Church of Logic is coming in now with his comments. If you want to call in, Church, you can call in. Ford is like the friend who is late to the party when it comes to electric vehicles. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That's But there you go. This is a special live show this afternoon, and all we're doing is trading Virgin Galactic scalp trading. That's all we're doing right now. 100 trades in one day. Late to the party. Well, they were late to the party, Church. Don't try and tell me they wasn't, because they was. Church of Logic loves them. He'll say nothing about it. They started pushing this in 2016. Anyway. They only got into it because of Elon Musk. So wind him up. Come on, 607 or 6. Make your mind up. And we're going to start ramping it up to 400 shares a pop this time. I'm holding now 39,000. My portfolio is starting to nudge up now. All these micro trades are helping. You can see where we are right now. Look, this is my overall position, 39,000. We're sort of going sideways and slowly coming up a little bit. Tesla was urged the party for Cybertruck, but late for the execution. The F-150 Lightning dominates the electric truck market. Rowe is Cornish. You're from Cornwall too. I'm from Truro. Hey, lovely to have you here, Stephen. Whereabouts? I'm from Truro. Lovely to have you here. Right, back to what we're doing. Got to concentrate. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. If you want to be in our free prize draw, just say, I'd like to be in your draw, and I'll give you the link you need. Here's the invitation to join if you want to be in that. And here is our Discord as well. You get all the benefits when you become a YouTube member, though. Just know if you join Discord, you'll only see the public channels. You can't call in. You can't have all the major accounts. Anyway. So 607 or $6 is our next move. 100 shares, 100 trades a day, scalp trading. Let's focus. Remember, this is my real money, my real trades. There are no charges with with Robinhood, so I can do this for free all day long. 1,000 shares a day, 1,000 trades a day. It makes no difference. But I normally would use stop trading losses and set it with a 3 cents buffer. But in a market where we are trending down, which we most certainly are, and we're in a bear market, all I want to do, here we go, 606. If it hits 607, it will sell 200. Are we going to get a rise into the close? Quite possibly. I might switch tactics in a minute and go over to a stop trail loss and watch it go up. I might do that. We'll have a look in a minute at my next round. If this can sell 200 at 607, the average now is 627, down from 672. Then I might switch tactics and go to, because very often Virgin Galactic will close into a, will pick up into the close. Experience tells me that. 579 is looking juicy for space. You're looking at the orders market. I'm 4 hours from Truro, Scotia, Canada. Wonderful. One more cent and it will sell. It's set at 606, so it will sell at 607. It's got to do that it's got to do that small amount of money for the market makers. If I want to sell it at 606, you go 605. That's how it works. And if you do it manually, it probably will sell for 605 anyway, even if it's 606. That's how it works. Exeter. I went to college in Exeter when I learnt electronics. I've got a HND in electronics, Higher National Diploma. And I've done the Bristol Hippodrome as the world piano man. Don't know if you know that, but this is my music studio, and I've toured all 195 countries all over the world, and I've played the Bristol Hippodrome, which isn't that far from Exeter. You know where I mean, don't you, Stephen? Logan Pizza. No car maker in the world has matched their trucks to this day. Do your research. You tell him, look, church. You put him straight. Hello, market. Well, there we go. We are scalp trading on one stock, 100 trades a day today. It's a special. We're carrying on. The closing bell show has been replaced at the moment with this one. I might end the show in a minute and return to the regular show, and then we can cover all the stocks. But right now, we're still sticking to this one stock. Here in Bodmin. Hey, Bodmin! Hey, all right, my handsome, my lover, my booty. How you doing? Proper job. There you go, booty. I'll be over in Cornwall. I'll be in Newquay at the Virgin Orbit Space Station, 15th of October. Members, if you want to join me, you can be there. Here's the invitation to join. We're having a party on the beach, a party in the hotel in Newquay on the 15th of October. There you go. There's the invitation to join. If you want to be at the party, it says $50 or £50 super chat, and you'll be sent the ticket. Brilliant. 607. Any moment now, 200 shares of Virgin Galactic could be sold. Or I'm going to buy more at 6. We are scalp trading all day today. Tesla still having a record-breaking order on their other vehicles. Yes, they are. Here is my Tesla position. Sorry, here's my Tesla position. There you go. I'm only dealing with Virgin Galactic right now. This is a Virgin Galactic special show. We're scalp trading on one stock. That's what we're doing. In 30 seconds from the college. You're 30 seconds from the college. Nice. Nice. Right, don't forget, if anyone becomes a member on your birthday for you or your family or anyone else in your family, you can have a special birthday song. I'll go to the piano and do it for you live in the show. So another reason why you want to become a member. And we have our cash prize draw on Friday. Don't forget that. If you want to be in that, ask me and I'll give you the link. Saw Anthrax in Bristol, Colston Hall in '89. Long time ago, yes. The Cybertruck will not make or break of Tesla. Is already at the top of its EV game. Indeed it is. 606. The moment that hits 607, another 200 shares for Virgin Galactic will be sold. Back to my 1400. I'm just down 3.3 now. I was down 12% before I started all of this nonsense. Sold 2,000 shares at around $20 on fear of a NM lockdown extension right now before stock jumped to $60. Don't do same mistake. There we go. Cool Restorations. What stock was that? Ford or what stock are you talking about? 606. Come on. We need 607 for the next position. I'm at 39,190. It's coming up. I might switch in a minute because the overall market is moving upwards. Look, the overall market now is rallying again. So I might, in a minute, switch to trailing stop losses. Right now, though, I'm just doing prices. I'm just doing limit orders. 606 I'm trying to sell 200 at. And it hasn't gone through, and it won't go through until it hits 607. And then I'm going to buy again at 6. Takes a lot of patience and discipline, but it's the only way to lower your averages, protect your stocks, and make money overall. Remember, it's easy to make money on the stock market. The hard part is to keep it. And right now, I'm having to work hard to keep myself in the game. Come on. 607. Just moved. It's hardly any movement today, which is good. Good and bad. Good, it takes longer, but gives you time to concentrate. Evening all. Tom's here. How are you, Tom? Tom is our DJ at the party on the 15th of October. We were just talking about that. This is Tom, CMV Studios. He's being the DJ. And you saw Sam earlier. Sam is our Elton John tribute act who's performing at the show as well, at the event. You guys sure know how to trigger me. Everybody's giving Church a hard time today. He can take it. He's from New York. He can take it. Deep breath, Church. Deep breath. Breathe. I'll just have a quick look at my stocks, but this is not really what we're doing right now. We're not really interested in the other stocks right now. All we're doing is scalp trading Virgin Galactic. That's what we're doing. But I am able to very quickly look through the stocks. You can see we're starting to trend up a little bit now. Everything's looking pretty good. I need to get back to Virgin Galactic though. Target, yeah, everything's, oops, yeah, still plenty of profits in all these companies. PayPal. Just a very quick look at all my positions. Yeah, these are all fine. They're all in the black. Most of them anyway. Just holding these positions. You don't want to be selling like this. Yeah, they're all moving up too. Virgin Orbit's had a good day. Tilray's down 6. You might want to go a bit more on Tilray now, just very quickly. If you wanted to do that, Ginkgo is moving up now. And back here again. Arrival's just virtually barcoding. So back to Virgin Galactic, right. So 606 we're looking for now. And 6. They're the two positions we got now. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget our cash prize draw comes up on Friday. Make sure that you've opened your newsletter. The Model Y from Tesla is on course to becoming the best-selling car in the world soon. Not just the best-selling EV, the best-selling car in the world, the Model Y. So just remember that. A startup company has obliterated the legacy companies. Absolutely obliterated. Volkswagen will be the kingpin EV in the next 5 years. No. Volkswagen cannot catch up with Virgin Galactic now. Near non-impossible. It is number 2, but it's way behind. Because it concentrated on how to bring out an electric car rather than how to produce them. And that's where Elon Musk has come in. It's how to ramp up quickly. It's not how, can I make an electric vehicle? It's how can we build a factory that can make them quicker than anyone else? And the demand is there. Volkswagens are good cars, yeah. Apart from when they lied about their emissions. Remember that? They all come out and lied. But there you go. They've never really recovered from that. Amazing Tuga. Hi, Martin, but aren't you losing money averaging down like this? No. Of course I'm not. I'm not losing money. Amazing Tuga. No, not losing money. I'm making money on every single trade. Will only continue to improve its self-driving AI. Volkswagen is a great automaker for sure. Yes, indeed. 605. So my next position to sell is at 606. I've got an order placed. And Tesla build quality is pathetic. We know that Tesla's build quality isn't as good as Volkswagen or BMW. That is true. But it's getting better all the time. I've got lots of friends with Teslas who love them. Who think they're absolutely the best thing in the world. So they don't feel that at all. But there you go. Exactly, Peter Wilson. Well, hang on a minute. I like Fords, but Fords are not a BMW. I've driven BMWs all my life. I've had a Z3, 3-litre Sport, a 5 Series. BMWs are made properly. Fords, nowhere near built as well as BMWs. Let's say I have 200 shares at $10 and I buy 10 shares at $8.02. I'm trading 10 shares at $10 and 8 shares at $8.02. My average will go down, but I'm losing $1.98 a share. No, you're not. If you sell the 8 shares, at $8.02, remember you can. It's called FICO, first in, first out. FIFO, sorry, FIFO, first in, first out. You need to contact your brokerage to make sure you sell the correct shares. All new cars are being rushed. None are built as good as they were 20 years ago. I agree with that, Stu Woke. And even if you don't, do the FIFO rule, even if you don't contact your brokerage and sell the right stocks, if I sell stocks that I paid more for at a loss, I've still got the shares that I paid less for. So the average is what it, at the end of the day, that's what it, ultimately it comes down to that. Because if my average is 627, when I get to 627 on here, I'll be at 0. So that average is correct. At the end of the day, it's your total return that's important. Don't get confused with each individual stock. Can I use Robinhood in the UK? No, not at the moment, but you will be able to soon, and I will let you know when it comes out. Subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to be in our cash prize draw for Friday, let me know, and I'll give you the link for it. We give away the money I make on the video every single Friday. VPN, no, Stu, that would not work. Because you have to have a social security number in the US, unless you can use my social security number, which you can't. Then no. Space at low of the day. Yes. I've been trading it all day. Market. We're waiting to do it again. We've got an order to sell 200 at 606, which will go at 607, and I've bought at 604. And I'm about to buy at 602 and 601. We are still trending down. That's why I'm not using stop trading losses. I just want the stock sold, lower the average, make the profit, and I'm out. My position is getting better and better and better. Space will be $4 to $5 by the end of the week. Well, I'll be trading it all the way down then until it is. And you can make money on a stock that goes down. It just takes discipline and work. Because nothing is straight. And as it gets closer and closer to $4 to $5, it will slow down. It won't just go straight. That won't happen. Because we're at the very bottom of the value of the stock now. Or the price, anyway. There's no point selling it any lower than this. Anyway, whatever. All right, waiting for our next move. 603. All right, if you've tuned in this afternoon, thank you very much for being here. I'm just going to run a quick commercial break, a 10-second gap. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. $605. So at 606 it will sell 200, and at 601, 602 I'll buy some more. I'm now up to 300 to 400 shares per trade now. Started out at 100, 200. Dexter Sickles, hi. How are you, mate? Lovely to have you here. This is a special show. We're doing a Virgin Galactic scalp trading special, 100 scalp trades in a day, because I want my average to come down and down and down. Do you only buy USA stocks? No, I don't. I've got several UK stocks, and I can show you on the screen right now quickly. There is Tesco's. Tesco's is a UK stock. Do you have to pay other fees to pay if no, don't pay any fees at all. There are no fees to anything I'm doing. I've got a stock here. I think it's Polestar. Let me have a look. Which one is it? Polestar, I think, is an ADR. No, not that one. Amazon, no. Apple, no. McDonald's. I'll find it in a sec. I'll go through it. Hang on. It's got ADR, which means it's for another country. This is I'm just doing this now for our guest. These are all my stocks, all my live positions. On end phase. Oh, where is it? Which one is it? Can anyone remember? I can't remember off the top of my head. But it says is it, no, not Rio Tinto. It's not that either. I forget now, but it says ADR at the top. But I basically, yes, I can buy UK stocks, and there's no fee either. No. I couldn't say what's the best brokerages in England, to be honest with you. They're all different. I don't like any of them. You have to try and find out for yourself. If you look below my video for my all links button, I've got several brokerages that I use, that I have. I just don't use them, if you like. But they're set up, and if you use my referral, you get some free stocks for using my referral. It's below the video in the all links button. I have 3.5 grand. Should I go all in on Rio for the dividend? We should do a poll. Too late. You're too late for the dividend. The ex-date for dividend was last week, so you won't get the dividend. I've got 41 shares, and I'm getting $109 of dividends. You won't get that now until next time. All right. How low do you see space going before it bounces? I've no idea. Nobody knows. Nobody knows at all. People come up with numbers all over the place, but no one actually knows. People will tell you they know, but they don't know. But if you micro trade it, you'll make money one way or another. How low do you see the space going? Says Logan Pizza. Okay, we got day trader of the day coming up in 35 minutes. We'll still do that, exactly the same. Let's see if we've gained any subscribers during the show, shall we? Let's have a little look. How many people have come through this show? 157 people have come through this show so far. Let's have a look. 4497. Oh, look at that. 7 subscribers, 4497, 4504. Thank you very much, all of those of you that have come into the show. How cool is that? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. We've got Stu Walk. I think this is you. Is he still here? There's a guy called Stu Woke. Is that you on Discord? You've come into Discord. Is that you? If you became a YouTube member, you could call into the show. You can speak to me. You can have your own channel if you're a silver member. You can talk to our members. Many perks and benefits. You can access all the membership stuff, plus all the 20 perks or so on YouTube. If you are a YouTube member, I see you've come into our Discord channel. You can come in for free, but if you want to have all the main exclusive content, there it is as a member, a YouTube member. All right. Dividend was 11th. That's right. I've got my Rio Tinto dividends, $109. Back to Virgin Galactic now. Here we go. It's best then, I'm guessing, to buy a little at each low point to maximize shares. Logan, to be honest with you, there are so many different parts of it. If you're investing, you first of all, it's a whole discussion. I could do a whole video on this. But right now I've got to concentrate on my scalp trading. Do you think space will keep above 550 support if it breaks below 6 this week or continue down to all-time lows? I hope it does. I'll keep buying more because I know where the stock's going. Unfortunately, I see no positive catalyst to reverse this trend. No, there isn't. This is why it's perfect. Because look, people get upset when there's no news. You should be glad there's no news. If there was news right now for Virgin Galactic, it would be bad news. It would be, we've just blown up the rocket, everything's gone bang and everything's out, we're out of business, right? There's no news because Virgin Galactic are building the rockets. And I can tell you firsthand that is the case. Because if you look, thank you, Stephen. I subscribed and thumbed. Very nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate that very much indeed. Why don't you become a member and then you get all the perks and benefits? If you're a YouTuber, Stu Walk, who is it? And if anyone's a YouTuber here, I've got a big surprise for you if you become a member. I'm going to surprise you right now. If you become a member. Here's Sam. This is the guy who's going to be doing Elton John for us at the party, the convention in 15th of October in England. There he is. All right. If we've got somebody in here that's not a member, that has a YouTube channel, and you'd like some help with it, I'm going to do something nice for you that I only do for my silver members. The first person to become a member. So take a blind leap of faith, become a bronze member, and I promise you, you're going to be thrilled to bits when you see what happens. So if you want to trust me and take a chance on it, there you go. It's like a lucky dip. All right? First person who's not a member to become a member. If you are a YouTuber. If you're not a YouTuber, you won't care about this prize. But if you are, and you want your channel to grow, first person to do it. And see what happens. Maybe some meatloaf as well, says Sam. You know how big Elton's wardrobe is. Alicia and Patricia, we are doing a special today. It's a special Virgin Galactic scalping show today. That's what we're doing right now because Virgin Galactic has dropped and I'm bringing my average down. I've traded about maybe coming up to 40 different trades so far, and I'm trying to do up to 100. So it's slowed right down. The volume is low, so there's not much movement, which is great. It's not that stressful, but it presents less opportunity. I've got a sell for 606. It'll go through at 607 for the market makers a little bit, and there's 200, and I'm waiting to 300. Sorry, 200 shares, and I've got a buy at 6. So we're just waiting for the next little move of Virgin Galactic, and it's coming, no question about it. This is a Virgin Galactic special. Hence the thumbnail, if you notice that. $606. As soon as it hits 606, 604. Our overall portfolio now is down 428 to them. 39,000. There's my overall position. We were at 45 a few days ago. That's why we're scalp trading, because we want to protect our losses and get lower and lower averages, take some money off the table, make some profits on the way down. That's what we're doing. And here we go. Not a tuber, but wannabe. All right? Well. Take a leap of faith. Become a member and see what happens when you do. The first person to become a bronze member in the channel right now, who's not a member, who takes a leap of faith. See what happens. See what happens. Do you feel like it's a good thing or not? Come on, Virgin Galactic, move. Go down or up, but do something. Right, we're starting to see something here. We're seeing something now coming in. $604. At 606, it will sell. And at 601, I'll buy some more. Just waiting for the next move. It's a Virgin Galactic special today. If you've just tuned in, welcome to you. And while we're trading, we've got lots of our members in today. If you become a member, this is what you can do. You can call in and have your say. So let's have a little listen to our members. Who have we got in the house today? We've got Sam here today. Let's have a quick listen to Sam.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living. Now, if you want music, if you want the stocks, anything like that, this is the place to be.
Yes.
Follow this man. He's beautiful.
Yes.
He is the Rocket Man.
Yes.
I thought I was.
No.
His name is Martyn Lucas.
That's me.
Follow him. He is the day trader.
That's right.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There you go. Good stuff. Who else have we got in the chat today? We've got our ladies from Italy. Let's have a little listen to Paddy right now.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
And Tom's here from CNV Studio.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNV Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
There you go. Thank you very much, Tom. How do I become a member? Here is the invitation to join. I've given you, it's below the video, you need a browser. There it is. There are over 20 perks you get as a member. It's a monthly subscription. You can cancel it whenever you want. You can upgrade whenever you want. And they have bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, and investor member. The investor member is for the very super rich. Very exclusive content, private one-on-one video content. But we have memberships from a couple of bucks a month. And if you become a member, you will get all the perks and benefits. You'll see nearly everybody in the channel has got a badge after their name, because people that come every day tend to be members because of the perks and benefits they get. And if you use them all, they will benefit you massively. It's up to you if you use them all. All right? There you go. 604. Come on, Virgin Galactic, do something. 605. This is why I haven't got a stop trail loss. There's no point in this market right now. I've got 1,400 shares. That's my allocation. That's all I need. I don't need any more than that. That's enough to make my portfolio $100,000 by the end of this year. That's all I need. I know what my target is. Anything more is just greed, unnecessary risk. The overall portfolio just going sideways. Trying to come up now, but it's pretty much done. You can see nothing's really happening. Hundreds of car crashes reported as 3 months worth of rain slams Dallas. Yeah, the reason for that is, I'll tell you why that is, church. When I came to America, I was flabbergasted with how easy it was to pass a driving test. In the UK, I've done advanced driving and I'm an advanced motorcyclist. I actually learned to ride a motorbike with a RAF Outrider, Royal Air Force Outrider. And I can, I've had a proper training, advanced driving, advanced motorcycle training. When I came to America and I went to the training school in Dallas, I said, "Is that it?" And he went, "Yeah, you passed." I went, what the hell was that all about? It was drive around the car park and back out again. And bearing in mind, most people drive automatics. There's no hills. There's no hill starts. They're not even changing gears. It's a child could drive a car in America, and they've had no skill training. So I'm not surprised now it's raining. Everyone's crashing, and I've noticed this when it rains, I slow down because I'm from England. It rains all the time. Stephen Rowe has become a silver member, everybody! Would everybody please welcome Stephen Rowe as a silver member? Absolutely fantastic. Right. Can everybody please welcome our guest? He's from Cornwall, where I'm from. My handsome, my love, and my booty. Absolutely spot on. There he is. So let's have a big nice... Would everybody please welcome him in to the party? Right. So first of all, let's give him a big welcome in. All right, would everybody please welcome our new member in? Here come the fireworks. Oh, yes. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Congratulations. Thanks for being here. Really appreciate it very much indeed. Awesome stuff. Cheers. He's one of the party now. There you go. There's Stephen Rowe. Now then, Stephen, you get many, many perks as a member. And if everybody could welcome him in, make him feel really welcome. Would all my family members please put your cities and countries in the chat and let him know where you're from. And Stephen, do the same thing for us, okay? There you go. We've got a global audience here, Stephen. Now then, on the homepage of my YouTube channel, we go live every day. Here we go. This is the opening and closing bell. The upcoming live streams here is our TV guide. This is all the things that we do. We go live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Today's show was early because I was doing a special because Virgin Galactic crashed. So I've been training it. Now, as a silver member, I put all my members who've got a YouTube channel, if you request it, here on the homepage of my YouTube channel. See all the members? And what I do is from time to time, I'll pick a member, click on them, and invite everyone to subscribe to them and everything. Now, that's because you said you wanted to be a YouTuber, right? So if you set up a channel and you want everyone to subscribe to you, I can get everyone to subscribe to you because this channel, everyone supports everyone, right? Everyone supports everyone, okay? Now, what you can do as a silver member, you also, if you wish to, you can make me a manager on your channel. Now, what that means when you make someone a manager on your channel, it means I can upload a video to your channel. So what I do is I make you a testimonial video. Now, I know you don't have a channel right now, but if you do, then I will tell me what the channel's about, and I make a testimonial video, upload it, do the tag, do the thumbnail, do everything that promotes the video, and then get everyone in the channel on one of our busiest shows, which is a Friday, the cash giveaway, to watch it. And they'll all watch it, like, and comment. It's the best way to grow a channel because you've got real people who not just watch it, subscribe, but like it, leave a comment and everything. Also, you can have, for you or a member of your family, the day before, the day of, or the day after, a birthday celebration. So remember, whenever it's your birthday, for you, your family, your daughter, sons, auntie, uncle, granny, whatever, the day before, the day of, and day after, let me know, and I will do a happy birthday live in the show. I go back to the studio back there, all the balloons come down, it looks really great, and you can get to keep the video as well. You can get to clip it on YouTube and save it to your social media. You also get that. Also, if you go onto my social media, and all the links are below the main video, I will follow you and engage with you. I only ever follow and subscribe to my members on YouTube and my subscribers on TikTok. This is TikTok over here who I'm talking to. I only ever do that to my members and subscribers because I have to engage with you. No point just following someone for the sake of it. I don't do follow for follow. On TikTok, I've got 23,000 followers and I follow about 25 people. That's it. And I just follow my subscribers and my members here on YouTube, okay? And that's the reason, because I need to engage with those people. Also, you've now got full access to Discord. Here is a Discord link. Here it is. When you get into Discord, it takes 10 minutes to get through because of the high level of security we use. Once you get into Discord, tell me what your Discord username is. Here's Discord, look. And I ask you to do it in YouTube because people are watching the show, they go into Discord and they pretend to be you. I get scammers all the time who try to do that. You can not only access all of the YouTube members' channels, you can have your own channel. So should you have any interest you wish to share with everybody, you can do that and we will share you can have your own channel. So there you go. There are all the perks and benefits you get. Plus, I will respond to all of your comments. So if you comment below any of my videos and you want to grow your channel, you can also, by commenting to me, I will promote your channel. And by commenting back, I'll highlight you at the top and stuff like that. Charles do drive in America. Deacon my booty. Ha ha. You're from Devon. I went to Totnes School. Remember Kevix? You know Totnes? I went to Kevix. Viva Floria Totnesia in secular permul Totnesia in secular permulta Floriet Totnesia. That's a school song, right? See? There you go, in Devon. And it's great to have you here. So there are some of the perks that you get, and there are more. And we look forward to welcoming you on Discord. And when you're in there, bloody hell, I know, Mike. You wouldn't think I was a singer, would you? Eh? Somebody better request a song quickly so I can actually redeem myself. All right, okay. We're coming up to Day Trader of the Day. This is a special scalp show for Virgin Galactic. We haven't managed to sell the 606 shares, but we will soon, I'm sure. Redeem. I need a $10 super chat to do a song, and then I'll redeem myself, and I'll sing something properly so I can redeem myself. You're absolutely right. Otherwise, there's going to be hell up. Hell up, I tell you. Right. From Palm Bay, Florida, now in Kissimmee, Florida, USA. Good afternoon, Stephen Lewandowski. There you go. Wonderful to have you, Stephen. We just welcomed in a brand new member to our channel. And you got a warm welcome from everybody. Did everybody put their cities and countries in? Did you welcome Stephen Rowan from Devon in England? So, Stephen, now that you're a member, you're invited to come to our party if you want to meet myself, my wife, all the day traders, all the everybody that's here. You can come to our party, and we're making a movie for Virgin Orbit. And you can be there. It's we're on the beach in the afternoon, and we're in a hotel in the evening. I have discounts to stay at the hotel. We've got entertainment laid on. We've got a DJ Tom. We've got Elton John and Meatloaf turning up, and it's $50 or £50, whichever you like, and you can be at the party. Only reason I know Totnes School is is the 8 camera outside before the pedestrian bridge, the speed camera. Yeah. March the 12th. March the 12th? Mine's March the 9th. So you're Pisces, like me. There you go. I'm March the 9th. So there you go. So I'll do my birthday on the 9th, and then you can do yours on the 12th. Brilliant. Well, don't forget, it's not just for you. It's for all your family as well. So if you know, your wife, your mum, your dad, your brother, and anybody, they can all get a little treat just by saying, hey, come on the show today, watch it, and they'll all get, you know, a nice special thing. Logan Pizzas, March the 7th. There we go. All the birthdays. Right, we got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a couple of seconds' time. We are doing a scalping show this afternoon. We've just gone below 39,000. We're at 38. Soon as Virgin Galactic hits 606, 607, I will sell 200 shares and put some money back in the bank. That's what we want to do. Or if it goes lower, I will buy some more. Oh, there we go. 606. Right. It's got to go to 607. And then it will sell. 200. Remember, I have all the faith in the stock. The only reason why I'm scalp trading is I cannot afford to just keep buying more and more stock. You have to, Pisces are the best. Yes, they are. Piskies. You have to have balance of your portfolio. Just because you know, you sell a stock doesn't mean you don't believe in it. I'm still keeping 1,400 shares. I'm just taking money off the top, lower my averages all the time to improve my position. At 607, if it goes to 607, 200 will be sold. And I'll have another trade done. I think we're way past 40 now. Didn't quite make 100. It's too slow. But let's see if it does. 60, go on. It moved. 606. It will sell at 607. I'm not using stop trail losses. I'm just doing prices. Market orders, 606. It has to go to 607 to sell. Yes, I know, Totnes. There you go. Come on, 607 and it will sell. One more cent. One more cent and we'll be good. Come on. I went to Dartington College of Arts to learn performance. And I did many professional shows as a kid in Plymouth, Totnes, Dartington, so on and so forth. Come on. Oh, come on. Smallest little blip, 607. Come on. I want to be out of the stock. I want to be out by the end of the day. It doesn't really matter if I'm not, but I would like to be. Because then I can start buying the dip again. 607. Come on. You're right on it. It's right on it. It moved up in between 606. So it's like 606.5. Needs to go 607, sorry. Come on. Ah. Somebody buy the stock so it goes up. Oh, there we go, 607. There, it's sold. Thank you very much. Sold. My money's back in the bank. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Okie dokie. It's just sold. There we go. So, there you can see 1,806, 1,812. You can see the differences, look. I'm back now to 1,400 shares, which is what I'm keeping. So now what I'm looking to, and now I've got an average of 627. My average was 672. So you can see I've dramatically reduced it. Made micro trades, lots of profits, paid no fees. And the idea is to buy it on the way down and keep doing these micro trades. Nothing goes straight down. Right. Now that share has sold, I'm just looking to buy now on the way down. It might not go down anymore now. We'll see what happens. So, go to your main portfolio. I'm going to keep Virgin Galactic open on another screen. And if it goes lower, I'm going to pick some more up. But it's at 607 now, so I'm not going to buy any more because I'm only 3.3% away. I don't need to buy any more. I always want to pay less. Never want to pay more for the stock. Always pay less. And that's it. Never chase the stock. The stock chases me. All right, so go to your main portfolio, and put your position. I am down today 4.2%. There's my score, down 4.2%. And once the first person puts their name on the screen, we will start finding out who is the winner. 608 now, it's going up. Congratulations, thank you, Renatus. What? Congratulations that I'm down 4.2%. It's getting better though, 4.18, it's improving. Right, when the first person puts their score on, we'll have a minute on the clock. You ready? Let's get ready. I'll go back to Virgin Galactic now though, so we can see what we're doing. Here we go, here come the scores, 1 minute from now, here we go. Up 0.18, so Dexter Sickles goes into the lead. CY Financials is down 2.53. That's Caden Youngquist, our youngest investor, just 17 years old. Logan down 2.46. Still Dexter Sickles up 0.18. I said chicky 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 pow pow. I said chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi, stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi, stand up, Nakamoto. Right. So we've got 20 seconds left. Looks like Dexter Sickles could be the winner today. Any advances on up 0.18. Let's end the timer. Okay, time's up. Dexter Sickles up 0.18. Any advances on that? 607. It looks like Dexter Sickles is the winner. All right, too late now if you come in now. Or I am up 0.14. Oh, there we go, Renatus up 0.14, but still taking it is 0.18. So thank you, Dexter, for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And here come the sound effects. There we go, there we go, there we go. Thank you very much indeed, Dexter. Great score. Congratulations. Nice one indeed. And we've got some guys just come in. Caden, Dexter, Renatus. We've got a new member today. Stephen Rowe just became a member, a silver member. And would everybody please welcome him in? If you've not, if you were here after we welcomed him in, please do put your cities and countries in and welcome a new member to the family. I've given him an invitation to the party in England, in Newquay, on the 15th of October. And we hope to see him there. Who knows? Virgin Galactic, back to this again now. So, where we're going to go in the after hours. My average is now $6.27. My average used to be $35, by the way. It's now $6.27. So, I keep chasing it down all the time. Remember, I don't chase the stock, though. That's not what I mean by chasing it. Dexter, says Renatus. Good, good, good. Ape Stocks is funny to watch. Is it funny? Why is it funny? I think it'd be around 6:30 in the after hours. Or do you? Well, I'm not buying. It's been trending down all day. I've got 1,400 shares. I don't need to spend any more money. I'm only buying it if it goes down. I'm not buying it hoping it ramps up. I'm waiting now for the next drop to do it again. Lucid. Lucid is down today, but I'm not looking to spend any more money. That's not a big enough drop for me. Arrival, same thing. I bought some this morning and traded it. Again, the same thing. It's not cheap enough. It could go lower. And the trouble is with Arrival now, if it goes below $1, it could very much run out of money and go bankrupt. Just be wary of that. If it goes too low, that doesn't mean to say it's a gift. it means it's at it. It means it's flipping at it. So just bear that in mind, all right? I just want everyone to be fully aware of that. Johnson & Johnson is where you want to go. 167. It's not low enough yet. Ginkgo Bioworks, 7% down. Okay, it's trending down now. It's been as low as 265, 264. I'm down 7%. Ginkgo. Back to SPCE. 607. Let's have a quick flash on the subscriber page. See how many people come through the show. 157, 187 have come through. And 4,504. Oh, we lost one. That happens sometimes. And by the way, if you're a YouTuber and you ever lose subscribers, don't worry about it. Sometimes it's people that literally die. It happens all the time. YouTube will delete a subscriber when an account hasn't been used for over a period of time. No one knows what that period of time is. But if the account is deactivated, you know, or whatever. But sometimes it's simply someone dies. You know, the account's shut down, or it's a fraudulent account, or there's all sorts of reasons why it could go down. Discord done. All right, Discord. I should be able to see you then. Okay. Is this you? Discord done. Is that you? There you go. I'll be surprised. It's Discord done. If you can tell me what cover picky. No idea. I can't even say it. Kiki. I can't even say it. Oh my God, Stephen Rowe. Right, I can't even say it. Right, Stephen, I'm going to upgrade you now to becoming a YouTube member. Here you are, look. This is you. Let me get rid of the screen a minute. Here we go. Get rid of that. Arrival. Also, if Araba goes below $1, it will fulfill the rules of NASDAQ and may be delisted. That's right. They will have to do a reverse split, and that's when a company's in trouble. So there we go. Rolls, this is you, and you are now a YouTube member. Now then, if you want to, I'm going to change your name so I know who you are. Stephen Rowe. I'm going to give you a nickname. This is on here, so I know who you are. Stephen Rowe. All right. There you go. Stephen Rowe, that's you. I now know who you are on here. Okay, and that's for me, so I know who you are. And also, if you wish to now, you can go into one of the channels or message me and ask me to create your own channel. As a silver member, you can have your own channel. If you wish to have your own channel and share your stocks and trades, you can. Are you following the Wall Street Bets trades? Are you following the Wall Street Bets trades? No. No, we're not, Kevin Lindquist. I'm not really sure I know what you mean anyway, to be honest. This is my whole portfolio here. This is my overall position. Started with $5,000. I'm now at $39,110. We had a massive drop since December, and we've been dollar cost averaging all the way down. The bell has now gone. I need to ring the bell. I just missed it. Sorry about that, folks. There we go. Sorry about that. I missed it by a couple of seconds. And these are all my positions. Okay, we are scalp trading Virgin Galactic here this afternoon. To lower my average, I know where this stock's going. I'm going to the Virgin Orbit Space Station in October in England, Cornwall, and I'm going to the space station in Mexico later on next year. And I know Sir Richard Branson. I've done events, themed events, so I know where the experience is, what that's all about, where Virgin Galactic is going. So I know that the stock will be $100 a share, But every time it goes down, because it's high risk, people sell out. They don't know what they've invested in. They think it's just a space tourism company. I keep dollar cost averaging. I keep scalp trading. My 1,400 shares isn't going anywhere. That's 12% of my portfolio, which I want it to remain. But today I must have traded 40 plus times in and out, lowering my averages, improving my position. So that's what I'm doing. My average is now 627. So there we go. It's time to wrap up the show, I think. Arrival is going up in the after hours. Yes, to answer... Yes, very well done on the average. Thank you, Stephen. My average was $35 at one point. It takes a lot of work. You got to just keep micro trading all the time. Anyway, for those who are listening now, we're going to end up the show. Here is the invitation to join, should you wish to be a member and get all the perks like our friend Stephen Rowe did today. Stephen Rowe, do you think your perks and benefits were a good buy? What do you reckon? Good investment? Right. Oh, I forgot, Stephen Rowe. There's one other perk you can get. Ali Boumai has just joined us on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. If you subscribe to me on Twitch, by the way, using your Amazon Prime, because Amazon own Twitch, it's free, and every month I do a cash prize draw for everyone on Twitch. You can watch me here on YouTube, but because I'm on Twitch. This is my Twitch account. I've got 9 subscribers, that's all, and 2 of those are me and my wife, just 7. So you have a 1 in 7 chance of being in our cash prize draw every month. Basically, I give a cash prize away with the money I get from subscribers, which is free, remember, using your Amazon Prime Gaming. I give back to you. I don't know why everyone on here doesn't subscribe to me on Twitch, because the money I earn, I give back to you in prizes. There you go. It's free if you've got Amazon Prime. All right? It's just worth noting. And now we've got some new people in. I'm going to finish up the show. Every Friday, we do a cash prize draw. Every single Friday. We give a cash prize draw away. The money I make in the show, I give back to you. I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. That's what this channel is all about. Okay? So we do it through a newsletter. That way we don't get scammers and bots win it and stuff like that. All right? So here is my weekly newsletter. Here it is. And all you do is put your email in. You can unsubscribe at any point. I don't email you unless you're subscribed. And what you will see is this page here. You put your email in there, look. Nothing else. I don't want your name, date of birth, address, nothing. Just your email. And every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you will receive our weekly newsletter with all my tips, what I'm trading, what I'm doing, and also the cash prize giveaways. We have a cash prize giveaway every Friday, and every month on Twitch we have a cash prize giveaway as well. And sometimes there are extra ones. It's free to enter, free for all. There it is. Now, when you put your email in, please then make sure that you go to your junk box, because the newsletter verification email very often goes into your junk box because it's called cash prize giveaway. And there is the email you're looking for in the chat, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. All right, there you go. You have to verify your email. If you don't verify it, you won't receive the weekly newsletter. Stephen Rowe just gave me a comment and said, going to check my dates, Martyn, but think I'm in NEC at the trade show. I'll check. At a trade show? Oh, are you talking about 15th of October? Come into the party? Brilliant. Well, if you can make it, that'd be great. It's a $50 or £50 super chat in the live chat, and then I'll send you a ticket. That'll include the party on the beach and in the hotel in the evening, and we have entertainment from our DJ and our Elton John tribute artist turning up as well. I'll be there, my wife will be there, and all the traders that you're seeing here from all over the world will be joining us. Anyway, there we go. Kevin Lindquist just said hello. Thank you, Kevin. Welcome to our party. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, just on a last note, by the way, if you look on the homepage of my YouTube channel, you will see just here my music channel. I'm known as the World Piano Man, and if you want to check out my music after the show and hear what I sound like, I do 14 voices in 7 different languages and 650 songs. There is my there is my music channel. Go and check it out if you want to. And together with this channel and the music channel, we're trying to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. We've raised over $1 million for our charities. And that was the last thing I was going to say to you, Stephen, that I forgot to mention. As a silver member, you can have, for free, a 20-minute fundraiser gig. Now, it can be for you. It can be a birthday. It can be an anniversary, a wedding, member of the family celebrating. I will go into my Martyn Lucas music studio on this channel, on the music channel, and do you a live show for 20 minutes for free. You don't pay me anything. People book me for $500 to $1,000 for that. You get it for free. You can, if you want to, dedicate it to a charity. And on the screen, we can have your links to your charity. And all the money will go to your charity. Let's hear your Billy Joel. Well, you can. I can do Billy Joel. I can do about 20 different Billy Joel songs. Kevin Lindquist. But if you wish to have a request in the show, it's a $10 super chat. And as I've explained, it's to cover my copyright, because this video will not earn me any money if I sing a song. So if you give me a $10 super chat, that will cover the money I would have made in this video, and I can sing you a song live right now in the show just for you. And you can keep the video as well. I can go back to the studio back there right now and do it for you live in the show. You can have the piano man. You can have I'll give you a choice of about 20. She's a Woman, My Life. Whatever you want. If you give me a $10 super chat, I will do it for you, and then you can clip the video and own it and keep it. And when it comes up for copyright that you've used it, I will allow you to use it. So you can share it and wherever you like. You can give it to someone as a gift. If you want me to sing, the Piano Man to somebody, just tell me the name and I'll put their name in the song. Chuvap Chi-Chi. Chuvap Chi-Chi. Chuvap Chi-Chi. I still don't know what it means though, Stephen Rowe. So Kevin Lindquist, if you want to hear a song, and I will do it for you gladly in my studio live right now. All this studio lights up, all the smoke comes down, all the lights start moving. We're basically in a full theatre environment in here, and you can have all of that if you give me a $10 super chat. All right, I can't make it any cheaper. Otherwise, I would have lost the $10 I've made on the show and actually be out of pocket. All right, so there you go. Let's see if we get a song at the end of the show. I'll give you a couple of minutes if you want to think about that. Otherwise, we're going to end up the show. Nickname at my school was Rowie. Ah, Rowie. Chup Vap Chi-Chi. I still don't know what you mean, Stephen. All right. Let's go back to SPCE. It is now 6:07. It's going up in the after hours. So I'm only down 3% now. That's good. At 6:27. My average is down from 6.72 to 6.27. Very good. Happy with that. And we've made small micro trades all the way down. All right. Kevin Lindquist, do you fancy that idea? I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. Otherwise, I'm going to end the show. Thoughts on Walmart? Walmart. Okay, let's have a quick look. I've got 8 shares of Walmart. There you go. The dividends are great. I think I bought the dip. I don't think I'm going to be out of the money. I'm going to keep my money in there. It's one of the biggest supermarkets in the world. I think it's always going to be on top. I'm very happy to own it. The dividends are good. As you can see, I've got $4.48 here pending. I can sell the stock now. I'm going to get that money anyway. But I'm happy to own it. And at 10%, what I'm going to be doing is reinvesting the dividends for the next 10 years until I'm at retirement age, and then I'll start taking some of the money out. But right now, I want to grow my portfolio to $200,000, which I should achieve by the end of next year. Is Kevin Lindquist still here? Did you want that Billy Joel song? 6:07. Lucid. Arrival. Okay, I think Kevin's gone. I don't think he's here anymore. I'm sorry I can't do the songs for free, guys, because if I do, I'm doing the shows for near nothing anyway. If I don't get a super chat and I lose my ad revenue, I'll be paying to do a show like this. So I can't do that. And I'm sure it's worth $10 though. I'm sure you'll agree it's worth $10. So everything's moving back up again. Tilray. Should I add more there? No, not at 5%. It's not worth it. Ginkgo Bioworks. Thank you, Martyn, for the show and invite. My absolute pleasure, Stephen. Thanks for being here. Go and check out my music later on if you want to. I'm going to put a 1 minute on the clock. Give Kevin Lindquist a chance to reply. I don't think he's here. If not, I'm going to ask one of you to say roll the credits, and then I'll be out of here and I'll see you back in the morning. But we might end up with a Billy Joel song if Kevin does the super chat. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. And then we're going to end the show because we're over time now. Everything is moving up in the after hours. That's quite nice to see. 39,139. Happy with that. Vanguard is up. Virgin Galactic. Yeah. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Okay, it looks like it. I think Kevin's gone. He wanted some Billy Joel, but I think he's gone. All right. I have Amazon Prime though. Yes, if you have Amazon Prime, this is what you do. I'll give you the link. Every month I give away the money I get on Amazon Prime. Here is the Twitch account because Amazon own Twitch. So here's my Twitch account. If you subscribe to me, what you do is go Amazon Prime /gaming. It will say, do you wish to turn gaming on? Yes, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And then you use that account to sign up to Twitch, and then you can subscribe to me on Twitch. And what it does is this is Twitch right now. This is what it looks like. I'm live on Twitch right now. I'm live on 20 platforms at the same time. So there's Twitch. You can see I've got 9 subscribers. And everyone who subscribes to me doesn't pay anything. They use the Amazon Prime. See it right there, look? And every month I use that money to give away as a cash prize. It's a good idea, isn't it? It's free. All right. Zoom earnings dead. Zoom, yes. I'm sure Zoom is dead. I wouldn't put any money into Zoom. Is anybody still investing in Zoom? Why would you do that? Let's have a little look. Shall we look before we go? Zoom. There you go. Zoom. Oh, there you go. Let's have a little look. Yeah, it's going right back to the beginning. Look. This is what happened in COVID. And it's back down. I mean, Zoom might be around, but it's... And you can't think it's cheap now. It's a different world now. Not everybody's on Zoom now. So it's no point buying it thinking it can go back up to here again. And so, you know, I wouldn't touch it. Anyway, that's up to you. I wouldn't touch Zoom anymore. It's not going anywhere. So that's what I think about that. Microsoft Teams killed it. Yeah. Yeah. It was good. It exploded during COVID. It's one of those things like Moderna. Remember Moderna exploded? Moderna is probably still okay. I don't know. But Moderna exploded like that. All right. I think that's it. It's a real shame we didn't hear back from our guest who wanted Billy Joel. I had a good Billy Joel lined up. Never mind. Maybe another day. Right, it's time to roll the credits. Can someone say roll the credits, please? And I'm going to roll those credits. Fire is still looking good as well. It's still good as well. There we go. All right. Oh, Stu Watt, appreciate the show. Martyn found you via TikTok, by the way. Just to let you know, we'll read through your links, etc. this evening. Well, thank you ever so much, Stu. Thank you very much indeed. It's an absolute pleasure. I've been here for 14 months. And what we're trying to do is grow the best YouTube channel in the world. With my music, as the world piano man and performing live music and raising money for charities. And this channel, trading, honestly, open, We're trying to grow the best channels in the world. That's the idea. Kathy Wood still buys Zoom. Yeah, but Kathy Wood gets it wrong very often. I don't do what Kathy Wood says. Even though I like ARK Invest, I don't listen to what Kathy Wood says. Because Kathy Wood's for herself. She's not here for you. She's not here for everybody else. And you might say, well, yes, she is. She manages hedge funds accounts. A very different thing. It's all about manipulation. I don't believe a word they say. I've proved that on this show many, many times. Right, roll the credits. Here we go then. Time to get out of here. Thanks ever so much indeed. Time to roll the credits. Any Croatian language? No. I'm afraid not. Italian's my best. I do Pavarotti and Nessun Dorma and Andre Bocelli and Time to Say Goodbye and all that stuff. Anyway, roll credits. That's it. Let's see what happens today. Who's the star of our show? Mike beat the restream bot again. He does it every day. A new follower. The follower, by the way, is Ali Boumai. The follower, Ali, is over there on Twitch. So thank you very much, Ali, for becoming a new member. Thank you very much indeed. That's a follower, not a subscriber, a follower. But here on YouTube, we've got Roger Hart and our friend there from Ukraine, from Kiev. Incredible. We had someone today from Kiev. Absolutely amazing. So that's our friend who subscribed to us. Now that's only the public subscribers. There could be many more. These are just the public ones. And then we had a new member here on the Day Trader on the YouTube channel. And that's Stephen. He became a silver member. So a huge thanks to Stephen for becoming a silver member. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much to you. There you go. That's it. So we're all done. And you bloodied up the bot again, Mike. You're always beating the bot. You're always on top of the bot. But that's it from me. Thank you very much. I'll see you all back in the morning. Go and check out my music if you fancy a bit of that. And Virgin Galactic is going down. It doesn't matter what Virgin Galactic does now. I'm waiting till the morning to do it again because the volume is going down even lower now. I don't want to be trading down. I'm already at an average of 627. So anyway, I'm not doing anything now. I'll look in the morning and see where it is. That's it. Thank you very much, everybody on TikTok. How much are you starting from? $5,000. Yes, I started from $5,000. OSAS. If you make it that long, how much are you starting with? $5,000. And I'm up to, what, 39 now, 40. I was at 45 before we crashed down this week. Anyway, it's a Bosnian meat. Like, that's amazing. I've no idea. All right, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you in the morning. Bye-bye.